Good Saturday morning. Get ready for a dry and hot weekend, but the good news is that it will not be humid, so the heat will be bearable for now. Here's what I have in today's video. We'll have an easterly flow across Alabama today, which will allow for the humidity levels to slightly rise, but those values will be much less than what we normally see around this time of the year. Skies will be mainly sunny with highs in the upper 80s to the lower 90s. High pressure off to our north will expand in size and will force more dry air into the region on Sunday. Therefore, those humidity levels will drop back into the range that we saw on Friday. However, the heat begins to build and highs will be in the lower to mid 90s. Dry weather continues into the beginning of the work week. Monday will be hot, but we'll continue to have dry air in place. Highs will range throughout the 90s across the area. And we go hotter again on Tuesday as the heat ridge strengthens over the southeast. We stay dry with highs in the mid to upper 90s, with a few locations hitting the century mark. Believe it or not, we actually will be hotter on Wednesday as we continue to stay dry. Highs will range between 95 and 102 degrees. The high responsible for our higher heat and drier air will begin to move off over the western Atlantic on Thursday, which will begin to shift our flow out of the southeast. That will start the increase in humidity levels, but not enough for any rain. Highs will remain hot with highs in the upper 90s, with a few locations hitting 100 degrees. And at the end of the forecast period on Friday, moisture levels continue to rise, and we'll have a small chance of a few isolated to scattered afternoon showers and storms. Highs will slightly drop back into the mid to upper 90s. Now taking a look at the tropics. All is quiet for now across the North Atlantic Ocean, the Gulf of Mexico, and the Caribbean Sea, and no new tropical activity is expected to form within the next 7 days. While we'll take the quiet for now, we are approaching the peak of hurricane season, which is September 10th. This concludes your weather briefing for today. I'm meteorologist Scott Martin. Stay safe, God bless, and remember, each day is a gift.